This is an external powered start and the T-38. Come up to the rail. First thing you say is, I got 2 pins, save, confirm solo. Your IP will confirm that. Handle down, flaps match. Once you're done with that, you're gonna come over, battery, backups, beacon, doors right here in norm, ED on, quantity check, fuel quantity check. Make sure all the switches are where they're supposed to be. Make sure you put your DTC in, right in here. .3830 on fuel. This is the key. The battery has to be on before you connect external power. So once everything's good, make sure the backup UHF is on guard. You're going to give them the signal to connect external power. So external power will be coming up. You'll see this. You know it's in because the static inverter, like.
Do you want to give a hands clear as well?
No, you'll be over the rail, so everybody is going to be like transition anything.
Okay.
So, alright, so you just connected external power. Now you're going to turn the big 5 on. Make sure all the switches again are where they're supposed to be. DTC should be in. Come down here, check the DTC dates. These are expired, but in the jet they should be current. If they're not, there's steps in the in-flight guide for how to load it. When you have power, you want to load the DTC dates before the walk around so you don't waste gas. At this point, you're gonna step off the rail, do your walk around, check the forms. Then you'll leave the battery on, leave it everything as it is here so the Iggy can align while you're doing all that.
So you leave the battery on while you do the walk around?
Yep, it should be left just like this while you're walking around with power. Then you'll come back to the plane, strap in, do all your shit. Okay, oxygen, normal. Okay, you can adjust this, make sure your ACP is set.
And it's okay to do a start with the standby AI uncaged?
No, you always uncage this before you start.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So then you come in, you tell your IP, I'm all strapped in, ACP set, good price, rear center, left in, check wow. They'll say their call out. You can either use this in PNS mode to listen to the ATIS off the VOR, but it's broken right now. So you just go to channel 20, UFCP, and listen to the ATIS off the UHF. Then back to channel 1/1, and you have ATIS 3001. Set the altimeter, 3001. Once you're done with that, you make the call out. Throttle's off, 2 up and guarded. Down, 3 green. Standby is checked. 3 degrees nose low set. 3001 set twice, shown 1060 over 1090. On. Day. My lights are set. My loose items are stowed. Here come my lights and tones. Depress that button, hold the test switch up. 6 fires, good lights, tone, and voice. They'll do their call outs. Once you're done with that, set up the UFCP. It's just gonna be standard as before. This is standard transition sortie altimeter. Make sure that's set 3001, 10,000. All our frequencies should be in here. Set page should be set, all 3. Bingo fuel of 2200.
2200 standard for transorting?
Yeah.
Cool.
BTR should be in FMFD. Bullseye. IFF. To whatever squawk you will get with clearance. Aircraft call sign. Alright. 2213. Iggy. It should say full by now. So that's good. Just leave it at full. Then you go back here, switch to channel 2, and you're going to call clearance. Clearance delivery, Bully 1-2, request Talon 1. They'll say column 1 squawk 2213. Put that squawk back in there. Go to channel 3 over 1. And now you're ready to start engines. Give the crew chief the signal to connect external air. You'll see the RPM start coming up. Greater than 12 RPM, start number 2. Fuel flow. Good light off. .755 peak. Grid right stack, lights out. Hands clear. Switch external air.
That was the twisty.
RPM, start number 1. Fuel flow. Good light off.
That was just seeing EGT rise.
680 peak.
Cool.
Good left stack, lights up. Throttle gate, G-suit, circuit breakers, hands clear. This and this. So for external power, it's this and this. To remove air and power.
Got it.
Then you come down here, pitot heat signal. Pitot heat's on, check the trim. Both ways. Trim's in the green. He's going to give you the signal for good pitot heat, turn it off. Check the oxygen quantity. Light at a liter. Feet and knees clear. Forward, back trim. Green, back, forward trim. Good. Right, left, right, left. Speed brake. Centering up, flaps. Visually confirm over your shoulder. Flap 60, good interconnect, flaps again. Flaps full, again. Flap 60 set for takeoff. Iggy, come down here. It'll say full. Push that button to align it. Iggy, yaw, green tea, oxy, check the crossover. Right gen, good cross. Left gen, good cross. Lights and tones have been checked already. Pump the brakes. Green tea is set. Auto seat pins, brakes, hands clear. They'll remove the chocks. Once the chocks are removed, you call it ground on 3. Ground, block 2-1, taxi 1, Raging Red Bull with Alpha. Then they'll give you clearance. Block 2-1, taxi 1 through center via Golf Alpha, Wilshire 1 through right. Crew chief, this signal right here. Push up the power. Check your brakes, and you're off.
Sick.
Yep.